Hi, Jake. Everyone over there at Burns Handyman Services. My name is Charles Marine. I am with Warley Digital, and this is the video I was talking about, just to give you a few tips to help you start to get more and more leads coming in your way, and organically, meaning they're already searching for you. You don't have to advertise or spend money to like on Yelp or Angie Leads, on any of these big lead services, which end up disappointing a lot of contractors. So, like I said, this video is customized, which means I wanted to do some research about your location and your services to see what people are looking for. And in doing that, I realized and just trying to look for you on Google and different places. On Facebook, I realized that this keyword here is what led me to Twitter and to your profile, which is similar to Facebook. So I was very sure, okay, this is you, and I realized you might not have a website, which is more or less, a little bit of the majority of what I was going to talk about. But no worries. What I'm going to do is use a site for a similar service but different location. So the things I want to talk about today are one, keywords, and then content, citations, and backlinks. And we'll tie it in with real numbers to see what potential is available. Starting with keywords. So back to the Google search. If someone's looking for your services in Boston, I'm guessing they would type something like handyman in Boston. And so this phrase that people type in, and these phrases you see, these are keywords. And there's tools out there that measure and that can tell how many people are searching for this every month. So let's take this tool. I use one called Ahrefs. These are publicly available tools. And I had prior searched it. And you can see that 400 people search for that service every month. Now, this kind of search is what's known as a buyer intent search. Someone's looking for a handyman, they're going to use a handyman. It's a buyer intent search. So this tool is pretty powerful. I just want to show you the related terms to it. Now, these are the numbers of people who are looking for you online, for your services online. Boston Handyman, there's about 400, just looking for that one keyword, Handyman Boston, Handyman in Boston. And the thing is, with Google, the higher you rank, the better it is, especially if you're here in the map pack, which I'll get to in a minute. But how do you rank higher and higher in here? It's with content, citations, and backlinks. So let's start with content. And I'm going to use the template website. Content is everything you see on the front page, on your pages. All the words, the text, the pictures, the words behind the pictures, what the pictures are saved as. For example, if I try and save this image, I'll see what the owner saved it as, which is me. And you can see it's saved as a keyword, home remodeling Philadelphia, PA. That's good. That's good practice. So it's advisable if you're building a website, make sure you have all your good keywords. Make sure you know what people are searching for, and I'll show you a few other keywords. And make sure they appear on your website and in the alt text of your images, etc. But do not overstuff. It has to be organic, so sentence sounding. There are bots that crawl the websites. A lot of people complain about too much text. Not everyone reads all the text on the website. It's more or less for Google to know that you're relevant and put you in front of these searches. So that's it with content. Citations have to do with this map pack area here, where you have 3 businesses and the map of the location that you're searching in. Now, ranking high here has a lot to do with citations. Citations are anywhere online that your name, address, and phone number are stored or cited just exactly as they are in your Google My Business, but in different directories. So a citation would be if you're cited in Yelp, or Yellow Pages, whitepages.com, Yext, and there are tons of other sites, Easy Local, etc. So the more relevant citations and the higher in number that you have than your competitors, and the tools out there that you can research your competitors. And that's a lot of the game, researching your competitors and making sure you match them or actually beat them in the number of citations, number of pictures, etc. And there are various things you can do to optimize your Google My Business profile so that you can rank higher and higher here. Third thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Backlinks are what help you rank in the organic listing section. Now, a backlink is when another website links to your site. So if they have a site directing people to your site, that's a backlink. Not all backlinks are the same. For example, a backlink from McDonald's is not the same excuse me, it's not the same niche as yours. And Google will see that as a little bit spammy and rank you lower. However, if there's a group of if there's a forum of general contractors in Boston, and there's a blog out there and they link to you, that is more trustworthy and more of your niche. Google can actually recognize that and will rank you higher. And by rank you higher, I mean consider you more relevant and place you higher in the search results. And everybody knows, no one really scrolls that far down for services. They usually click the top 3. So let's take one of these guys and put him in our tool so that we can actually look at their backlinks, one of your competitors. So let's place him here. Oops, here we go. And you can find the number of backlinks that he has from 99 domains, and you can see the number of the keywords that he's ranking for, etc. And now whoever is doing your search engine optimization can go in here to your competitors and make sure you're matching with the quality and the number of backlinks. So those are the 4 things I wanted to talk about. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching this far, Jake, and I hope this helps you. If you'd like to discuss, I will reach out just for feedback on the video. Thank you.